Hey friends, hi there. Hope you are doing great. I'm about to unbox a clock which I ordered online. So let's see. I'll give you the details as you watch this video. So this is the package that I got. Okay, this packing looks quite amazing, right? Look at this filler material to avoid any impacts. So this is a clock, okay, from Orpat. So let us see how this goes. Let me just cut it. Alright, so this is the clock. Okay, the battery is already given with the clock. So let me just remove the cover. Alright. Okay, this is the clock that's ordered. Pretty neat, huh? So I paid somewhere around 166 rupees for this clock, and delivery charges were somewhere around 40 rupees, so coming to 206 rupees for this clock. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I think it's a pretty good buy because it costs 166 rupees and looks pretty good. If you want to buy something that's not very costly and serves the purpose, then this is a pretty good clock. Okay, think yeah, you can get it on Amazon. Yes, thank you guys, have a good day.